Hey everyone, happy Thanksgiving. Today we're gonna be eating a whole bunch of food, getting ready for the holiday, and just getting into the holiday spirit and being thankful for everything that we have. So, without further ado, let's get right onto this video, and I'm gonna journey you guys out through the rest of my day. Alright guys, so my mom and my dad and my sisters, they're all watching the football game. I think it's Redskins versus someone else, I don't know. I just hopped off of Fortnite so I can spend time with my family. So I'm just gonna do that. The food looks super good, extremely good. We got donuts this morning. And my mom made green casserole. I don't know what these are. I think that's cornbread, and I don't know what these two are. Yeah, I don't know what they are. And she's making corn right now. Looks good. And we're making homemade mashed potatoes. We're gonna skin them and everything, and then we're gonna chop them up and then mash them. And then we have Hawaiian sweet rolls. Did you know? Here's an interesting fact that I just learned yesterday, along with my mom. Did you know that the Hawaiian buns? These, you're supposed to bake them because they're not baked. To be honest, that actually blew my mind. I didn't know you were supposed to do that, but yeah, I think I like it better without it being baked anyway. So my mom said that she's gonna try both ways. She'll have extras of the ones that are not baked, and then the ones that are baked, we'll just have those too. And yeah, this is our table right now. It's all set. Well, besides this and the bowls and everything on it. Yeah. I'm gonna watch the football game with them, and I'll be back really soon. Alright guys, so I just got done taking a shower after playing outside for hours. Volleyball, somewhat kickball, where else? Oh, manhunt. It was crazy, and it's completely dark outside, as you can see. And so I came inside and everything. I took a shower. I think I already said that. I really think I already said that. So my mom is almost done cooking, so we can eat, and I'm so excited because I just want to eat, and then come in here, probably play Fortnite or something, or just spend time with family, or just go to bed. I'm just gonna be so tired, and I'm exhausted right now, but I think I'm definitely gonna stick it out until I eat, So yeah, I'm gonna fill this belly up, and then I'm gonna tell you guys what happens after that, and I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. And I've been trying to use my Canon that I got. I'm trying to use my vlog camera, but it's just really hard. So I think what I'm gonna do is when I get home, I'll just switch to my Sony, and then when I'm at school vlogging or something like that, then I can use my Canon since it's small and portable for me to use. So I just want to let you guys know that, because I know that it was kind of aesthetic and I kind of liked it, but then at the same time that's not really what I was going for, but it kind of turned out with what I was going for, I guess, if that makes sense.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too easily. I fall in love.
Guess who's awake? Stitchy's awake. Say hi. Hi. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I ate, my belly hurts, and I'm tired. So I'm gonna go to sleep now. Today's video. No. I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in next Saturdays and Sundays vlog. Bye.